Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malviya and I am a Google certified data analyst currently working as a data analyst in Adend Analytics. So today in this video we are going to talk about the new technology Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is an integrated analytics environment. Those who are familiar with this analytics process, they already know that we have Azure Synapse, Azure SQL for data storage, Azure Data Lake, then Power BI for analysis purpose, and Azure Spark for machine learning purpose. Then why do we need Microsoft Fabric and how it's different? So let's start with what is Fabric. Microsoft is calling it as a unified data analytics platform. What does this mean? It means that Microsoft Fabric is a platform which provide customers with a software as a service enabled, open, lake-centric and fully featured data analytics and AI platform which meets all the need of a data analyst. Before we jump into anything, I am going to show you the 1-minute trailer that Microsoft actually released that talks a lot about what Microsoft Fabric actually is.
Microsoft Fabric, a unified data analytics platform. One product, one experience, one architecture, one business model. Unified data is stored in one lake, a SaaS data lake for the entire organization. Data is integrated and stored in an open format, allowing one copy to be used to train machine learning models, visualize data, and run SQL queries on the lake and data warehouse. A unified experience brings together all the tools data professionals need: pipelines for orchestrating data movement, experiments for training machine learning models, semantic models for defining key metrics, and much more. And for business users, Fabric brings together data for collaborating and doing ad hoc analysis in Microsoft 365. Unified governance, security, and compliance is built in for all your data. And with Copilot from Microsoft Fabric, AI helps everyone be more productive. Whether it's writing SQL statements, building reports, or setting up automations based on triggers. All your data, all your teams, all in one place. This is Microsoft Fabric.
As I discussed earlier, Microsoft is calling it as an end-to-end data analytics platform, but it seems like an end-to-end solution for a whole data science project, because we have Data Factory for data ingestion, then we have Synapse Data Engineering tools and Synapse Data Warehouse tool for data storage, then we have Power BI for analysis and visualization purpose. So all the things we need is here in this tool. On a basic note, when we talk about a project, what it requires? It requires a data engineer team, a data warehouse team, and sometime a data lake team for data storage and data analytics team. And normally they will all be maintaining their own separate data platform and data solutions. So here comes the Fabric, which try to unify everything into one platform so that any duplication is reduced and costs are minimized. This offers separate solution for each of these three teams. We will have Data Factory, which can help us with any data pipelines and data flows that we set up as a part of data engineering side of things. Then we have Data Lake and Data Warehouse and many other data storage stuffs which we want to store our data. And finally we will have Power BI and data science and real-time analytics stuff for the analysis and visualization purpose. So here comes a question, what's new in this? So yes, Fabric is not entirely new software. Many of its existing features such as Synapse Data Warehousing or Synapse Data Engineering or Data Factory or even Power BI are existing stuff. But there are various features like One Lake and One Security or Microsoft Purview which are entirely new, and we are going to discuss them further. So what Fabric does is it kind of brings everything together into one umbrella, so that when you are managing an entire organization data infrastructure, you can use one tool or one platform rather than multiple different things. So on a conclusion note, we can say that Microsoft Fabric is a software as a service enabled software which is built on top of an open lake architecture. Microsoft Fabric has not combined all the tools, they have combined the underlying storage of all these tools. All these tools are using data in the industry standard storage format for columnar data which is known as data packet format, and we are going to use this data from one lake. What is one lake? One lake is a one copy of data. We will discuss this in detail further. So one lake is a one copy of data, which means that we can use the same data in SQL, same data in Power BI, same data in Spark or any other tool which support this format. Earlier what we have to do is, first we have to dump data into the data lake, which will create a copy of data. Then we have to create a copy of data in warehouse, and for the BI tool we have to import the data, which will again create a new copy of data. So in this whole process many copies of data will be formed, but now what we are going to have is, we are having the one copy of data which we can use anywhere and everywhere, and along with this we got the one security and one compute. So we get fully integrated data analytics and AI platform. So this is all about Microsoft Fabric, and we will discuss more in detail in further videos. Thank you.